like me. Move like me. Gotta, move like me. Move like me.
Huh?
I'm gonna bring
Let me
the
help you.
head and fix all the eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, my hips going left, going right. Show your girls that you didn't see. Huh?
Here you go.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
But we have an urgent matter.
What happened and what is this?
Puppet Day! I want to update and enlarge our collection.
I think we should start with this shape then.
I'm Superhero Sam, and I came here to supervise the process. We need to pick the right colors.
Thank you, Superhero Sam. Your help is invaluable as always.
Now let's see what other colors we can find. What? My superpowers! How come?
But no one can take away your main superpower, Sammy. Kindness. So, don't worry.
That's for sure. Everyone calls me Sam, the good guy.
That's because you always help everyone and make everyone laugh. You really are a superhero.
No need to thank me, Sue. I'm doing that from the bottom of my heart.
And I appreciate that a lot. Now, we can move on to another cute character.
Aren't we all going to eat treats and play with poppets?
The treats are a good idea, but we still need to finish the poppets, you know. And then, yeah, we can have a party when we're done.
We have to have an adventure with poppets. Go on a hike or something.
I think we're gonna need other crafts for that.
I still think my idea was good.
Someday we'll create a whole team for adventures or come up with something even more fun.
Like what? Although with an army of new friends, any idea will be fun.
Oh, I wish we had a lot of new helpers. And they'd all be obedient.
I'm not ready to give up my place to anyone. I'm the star here.
Of course, you are our celebrity. No one can ever replace you, Sammy. And this one's done.
Wait, if we add this thing, we'll get a keychain.
Useful and beautiful. So cool.
Super cool. Ken will be so envied.
Put the cardboard straight so that everything is cut out correctly.
I have to check that. Make way for the master. I'm not sure that the surface is perfectly flat for creating poppets. Hey, do you want to get the master's ruler? Fight for it!
Challenge accepted.
Yay!
Victory will be mine.
I won't give up so easily. I will fight to the end. Okay, let's call it a draw. You can take this.
Thank you very much. I always thought that watermelon seeds were just a nuisance.
Exactly. They are so small and slippery. Blah!
Now, let's add some plastic to make it easier to play with this thing. All that's left is to finish the part with the seeds and then color them.
I'll help with the coloring.
Of course, you're our creative director after all.
I'm not just a creative director, I'm a creative CEO. The main thing is to do everything very quietly. Ooh! Ah! Ow! Oh, come on!
So the prank didn't work, huh?
Well, it did. You just don't know anything about pranks.
Seriously? All right, whatever.
Oh, Sue, please accept my apologies in the form of this paper.
Right about time. Okay, apologies accepted.
Maybe we should leave it like this, and I'll just jump on the springs.
I think it would be better if we finished making your collection, though. Besides, we're almost done here.
Put this one over there. Uh-huh, that's right.
And there we go. Great job, partner. Now, we can begin the tasty and healthy part of our work. Here's the base for our avocado Pop-It. Oh, what's wrong with me?
Agility training. Everyone must take part, especially crafters, Susie.
Ugh, Sam, are you sure? It seems like something is going wrong.
I'll sort it out now. Everything is under the control of a professional. Just a little more, no panic. Almost done.
I think we should postpone the training. It's not working out today.
I never thought that this thing could do miracles.
Not only in the world of beauty, but also in the world of craft. Here, check this out.
Ooh, it's cool! But it will be even cooler if you add this. How about some craft magic?
Wow! But how about we add eyes to our avocados?
Hi, do you know each other? What are you two up to these days?
Save the introductions for later. What if I make an unusual Pop-It? Like a bracelet? And that's what we've got.
The rest are ready too, Sue. I managed to assemble...
Whoa! Thanks, Sammy. Well done. And now, we only need to put them together.
Let me help you with the size, miss.
It seems a little small for me, but we can easily add some more pieces. Well, how do you like my new accessory?
Wow, I'm sure all our dolls will be jealous.
I think we can find another use for this fidget toy. Let's give it a second life, so to speak.
A second fashionable and popular life. And done! Yup, I'm that great.
And humble. See? It turned out great.
Perfect!
Excellent choice of colors, Sammy.
I was just thinking, maybe we can add a little cuteness to our craft?
Of course! Where would we be without cute bears, right? You can play with them and use them as accessories. And here is another one.
Brilliant! Like everything we do together!
Guys, you know that you can get any shape you want when folding origami. But this time we need cubes again. Or, should I rather say, lots of multicolored cubes?
Exactly! I always say, the more colors, the better.
Now, we need some glue.
Ah, so soft. And very convenient, too.
Convenient for what exactly? Sammy, I don't quite get it. Care to elaborate?
It's convenient for jumping, of course.
Oh, come on! Don't you want to finish our collection? Let's move on to the next creation. It should turn out very funny. Easy and simple. We need to glue this well so that everything looks beautiful and durable.
Here, Sue. I prepared all the circles in advance.
Thank you, Sammy. You are great, and you are helping me a lot today.
And now, let me show you my artistic skills. Peekaboo!
Maybe. I'll just leave you here and you'll finish it all yourself?
What? No! You're so good at it!
Oh, okay. If you say so. for believing in me. And ta-da! 2 fun emojis are here. I think our last craft will be a perfect addition to our collection.
Let me add some details to it, Susie.
Oh, it's such a nice touch. Sammy, can you tell me? Sammy, come on, he was just here.
My gum bubble will definitely be bigger, you'll see. I'm a champion in matters of fun.
Sam, Ken, what's going on here? What kind of prank are you at it again?
Oh no, did I win? How could I fell? I'd better lie down.
I don't know what was that, but you really helped me by bringing this thing here. And just like that, we stick it here. And voila!
Wow, we've got a new flower and a new craft for our Pop-It collection. Ooh, awesome! Thanks to everyone for participating.
What a diverse collection we have! And what a bunch of helpers you found, Sammy!
Ladies and gentlemen, please! I have a very serious announcement to make. It's a brand new Pop-It collection! We finally put it together!
Yay, Sam, it's totally awesome!
Thanks for being with us today, friends. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe.
We'll see you again soon. Bye.
Plastic spoon and the googly eyes, and we're going to glue them on to the back of the spoon like this. There's one googly eye. Let's get the other one. There we go. Right, 2 googly eyes. Now let's get a pen and draw a nose like that and a mouth. Now let's give him ears with the stickers. There's one alien ear. Let's put another alien ear in.
Halfway there.
Halfway already. There we go, he's looking good. Now we're going to get the green pipe cleaner and wrap it around the spoon to give him arms. There's one arm. There's another arm like that. And now let's put these balls of clay onto the ends. These are going to be the hands. There we go, there's one. And there's the other one. And now if we get this sausage of clay and squeeze it into feet, we can stick in a spoon alien. I did it!
Thank you, Mr. Maker.
There we go, up it goes, as quick as we can. Now when it's all rolled up, we're going to feed it very carefully onto the bottle like that. There we go, brill, there it is. Great. There we go, now if we pull the toe out, we can make snips very carefully in the end. There's one, there's 2. Now these are going to be the hair.
Halfway.
There's another bit there, another snip, fantastic. And now I'm going to tie these 2 end ones like this. Round and round they go, brilliant. That makes the hair, and that heel bit makes his mouth. Now if I get 2 white stickers and draw dots on them, these are going to be the eyes. Let's stick them on. There's one eye, and there's the other eye. There, I've done it!
Thank you, Mr. Maker.
Triangle and our sausage shape of white card, and if we glue the triangle on the end, that will make a good fin for our aeroplane. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it over and fold it in half like that, and then make a snip very carefully along this folded edge. That's going to make a slot. Now if we open that up, we can make ourselves a wing by drawing a wing shape on this rectangular piece of card there. Now I'm going to get a pair of scissors and cut this wing shape out very carefully.
Be careful.
Oh, I'm being careful, Tocky, don't you worry. There comes the wing. There we go. Right, now, hopefully, our wing will slot into our plane. Let's have a look. Yes, it does. That looks great. OK, now I'm going to get my black pen and draw on a window at the front, and then windows all the way along. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. I've done it!
Thank you, Mr.